All right, so I got a word for the day for you in real time. It's called functional obsolescence. And what this means is a property or a room or some part of the property is no longer functional for what modern society would use it for. So the house I'm previewing here in orange is the perfect example of that. Let's take a look. This is functionally obsolete because right as you open the front door, you're into a bedroom, and then the bedroom goes directly into a part of the kitchen. There is a door here that doesn't make sense. That should probably be closed off for privacy. Then you also have another strange setup here. This is a bathroom that's not connected to a bedroom. And then this little chunk that actually I would say would be good for laundry, but there is no setup for laundry here. So this is what I would functional obsolescence in a house. There are more examples of that in this house. Let me go find them and I'll put those on video too.